this industrial 4-in-1 frame.
Girl, you're so hot like summer, and I don't wonder what that lover. You give me feels you do, no one can do it like you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey babes, how are you doing today? You're highly welcome to my little corner here on the internet. So you guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you some of the home decor items that I have been picking up here and there. So I've been picking up decor items from Ikea, Home Bargains, Primark. I've just been doing, home decor shopping on a budget. So if you watched my last video, my Ikea, I took you guys to Ikea Manchester. I showed you guys what's they've got there, what's in stock, the new things they've got. So if you haven't watched that video, girl, do well to check that video out. I'm going to link it somewhere on the screen and also in my description box. Okay, so let's get started with the video. This is one bag. This is another one. This is also another one. Okay, so sit back, relax. Let's chill together. This video should be out on a Sunday, so just sit back, relax, let's chill together on this wonderful Sunday evening. So I will first start from this lovely shelf. Like, you guys, this is one of my best buys from Ikea. This is the Vito or Vitjo. See, Ikea is a Swedish brand. Some of these Swedish names, like, I don't even know how to pronounce any of these Swedish names, so just forgive me in advance. This is the 175 by 100 cm Vitjo shelf, and you guys, this shelf is literally so beautiful. Like, I haven't decorated it yet, so it's still empty. So that's on that. Okay, so right next to the shelf we have this beautiful fake bamboo plants that I also picked up from Ikea. So I'm about 5'6", and this plant is a bit taller than me. You guys, I really love this plant, and oh my god. To go with that plant, I also picked up this flower vase, or this plant pot. This is called the Ikea Muscat plant pot. I got the 24 cm, and it's a perfect size for this plant. The base of the plant is just this regular black pot, but putting it inside this white vase just took the plant to another level. This is the Ikea Knopang 50 by 70 frame. Yeah, nothing special about it. If you know Ikea, they carry like a huge range of picture frames, like any style, any design you want, they've got it. Like, this particular size goes for £10. So yeah, I picked up 3 of these to hang on that part of the wall where I have my sofa. I've already ordered some prints from Desenio. I think, guys, the popular picture frame company. Alright guys, so that's on that. Now let's head over to flower and vases, because you guys, your sister picked up quite a number of flowers and vases. Like, I love Ikea flowers, I love their vases, oh my god. Alright, so let's move over to flowers. So the first one I want to show you guys is this. A lot of my friends on WhatsApp have been asking me, Nina, the flower on your dining, where did you get them from? Okay babe, so these flowers are from Ikea. Now if you watch my Ikea vlog, which you should babe, okay, Ikea sell their flowers in singles like this. So this particular one, I chose them myself and made this bouquet. So for the flower, I picked up this vase to go with the flower. Actually, I can actually share this into 2, like, instead of having it as a bunch like this, I can actually split it into 2 and use them in 2 different vases. I'm sure it's still gonna look beautiful. You guys, this is literally so cute, like so cute. So this is a shorter, it's basically one of these flowers but in a much more shorter length. Now I got about 10 of these, and then I picked up this vase. This vase is sitting right on my coffee table, so yeah, that's on that for these 2. So I have about 10 pieces of these flowers sitting pretty inside this vase, and the vase is sitting pretty on my coffee table. Okay, so another vase that I picked up is this white one. I really love the finish. I just love the design of it. You may not be able to pick up on the design, but this is what it looks like. like super cute. So that's on that. Another vase we have again is this pretty, what would I call this color? Is it teal green? But you guys, this vase is so pretty, and in it I have another Ikea little flower pot sitting right in it. I love this Ikea gold flower pots, like these tiny things. I got about, let's say four of them. Love them so much. Okay, so that's on that. I plan on putting them right here. So on this shelf I'm going to be using like white, black and gold pieces to decorate the shelf. So that's on that. I also have this flower pot, and my plan is to use this inside this pink. So I got this pink vase. It may not be the final place, but for now this is how I plan on or I plan to style this flower. Okay, so this particular one doubles as a candle holder and a flower pot, but for now I have the Ikea vanilla candle in it. It's just a basic plain white vase. Again, it doubles as a flower pot and as a candle holder. Right, so another candle holder that I picked up is the Topi candle holder. Now for me, I feel like this can also serve a different purpose apart from being a candle holder. But yeah, just to show you guys what it looks like. If you watch my IKEA vlog, I showed, like, I compared this one to another candle holder, but at the end of the day I changed my mind and went for this. But this is so old school, but at the same time modern. So I feel like we are done with the flowers for now. If I find any, I'll add them, but for now I feel like we are done. So the next one I picked up is this storage box. It's a 3-in-1 storage box actually. Let me show you guys what it looks like closely. So it's kind of textured. I don't know if you guys can see that texture. So it's kind of textured. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and I plan on putting it like right on top of the shelf. You guys may not be able to see that, but I plan on putting it like right on top of the shelf. Maybe I'll get a picture of what it's looking like now, but yeah, when I saw it on the IKEA website, this was how the customer styled it, and it was absolutely beautiful. So the next item I also picked up from IKEA again is this cactus thingy decor. So it's a 3-in-1, let me say, cactus themed decor pieces. So this is what they look like. So you have this I don't know, they're all giving me like cactus vibes. Okay, so this is what they look like. Super cute. They'll be going on my shelf like this. So you guys, stay tuned for my home decor video. I'm actually filming the whole home decor process, all the way from me painting the walls, because listen, I never used to film in this space because this place was proper yellow. Like anytime I film here, everyone looking so yellow. So I'm going to show you guys how I got the space to what it's looking now, very white and clean. So stay tuned for my home decor video. Okay, so yeah, that's on that for this decor stuff. I don't know if it's a plate or like, I really don't know what this is, but I actually just like it. So I got one of this, and again it's going on my shelf. It will be like everything you got, they're all going on your shelf, but when I start decorating, I'll see the ones that will go on the shelf, I'll see the ones that will stay in the living room, I'll see the ones that will go to my filming space. So yeah, these are like basically sunflowers, red and baby pink sunflowers. Okay, so more flowers. Again, I picked up these 3 little fetch car flower pots, and this is what they basically look like super cute. Okay, so what else do we have from IKEA? I got this peacock, this bronze peacock. I just feel like this is super cute. Like right now it's sitting on my dining, so I have it sitting right inside this glass thingy that I picked up from Amazon. So I got this, is supposed to be like a flower pots, is what I intend to use them for. So I have my dirty brushes in this one already. So yeah, that's on that. I paid just £1 for this, and I have about 3 or 4 of them. I also got this little box, it's called the cookies. I got this again to use in my beauty room. So I have one of it here already that has my powders, my bronzers and all. Okay, so that's all that. These are not home decor items, but I just thought to share them with you guys. So let's go back to B&M. So one of the things I got from B&M is again this glass flower thingy. Love this so much. When I saw it, I was like, okay, you're coming home with me. But this is what it looks like, and I feel like it's quite cute. So another thing I got again is this pink flower pot. Again from B&M is this thingy that I want to hang on the wall, but I don't know if I'm going to end up hanging it on the wall. I already have a lot of things that I plan to put on the wall. I also got the smaller version of that one. So this one I feel like will go on top of my shelf. So instead of hanging it on the wall, I plan on putting it on top of my shelf. So that's all for B&M. From Home Bargains, I got this what are they called? They are called placemats. These are the ones for the cups. They are called, what are these ones called again? Okay, so these words are actually very new to me. So these are called coasters, while these ones are called placemats. So here I got them to go on my dining, of course. So also from Home Bargains, I got this industrial 4-in-1 frame. And you guys, this thing cost only £3, like £3. But when I saw it, I was like, what? £3? And for me, this frame looks super cute. If it were to be Ikea selling this should not be anything less than £10. This one I got from Primark for pretty cheap. This at the moment is sitting on my side table. Okay, so yeah, I feel like we are done. Actually, I still have other items, like, but they are much more, you know, bulky, so I can't carry them to show you guys. So for the major part, I feel like we are done. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me today. If you did, don't forget to leave a girl a like, leave a nice comment down below, share this video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, turn on your bell notifications if you just subscribed now. If you're already a subscriber, just make sure to have your bell notifications turned on. And yeah, I'll see you all in my next video, God willing. But until then, do well to stay safe, and I love you guys. Bye guys.